Will the revenue from AI cover all the debt and expenses it created? AI is definitely part of the future, but has overbuilding surpassed the revenue that it can create? When one steps back and looks at the numbers, well, I gotta tell you, they are staggering. Over the past 3 years, major tech firms have committed more funds towards AI data centers than it cost to build the U.S. interstate highway system that took 40 years to build. These numbers are even adjusted for inflation. In the next 5 years, the AI infrastructure spending will require $2 trillion in annual AI revenue. Well, if you think that is a lot of revenue, you're correct. In 2024, the combined revenue of Amazon, Apple, Alphabet, Microsoft, Meta, and even NVIDIA did not hit $2 trillion. It is also 5 times the amount of money spent globally on subscription software. Consumers have enjoyed the free use of AI, but it appears for businesses paying more than $30 a month per user, well, that's the breaking point. AI executives claim the technology could add 10% to the global GDP in the years to come. With that thought, they are saying the benefit comes when it can replace a large number of jobs and that the savings would be enough to pay back what they invested. Well, I have a question. My question is, if you're replacing all these jobs, consumers will have less money to spend and probably won't need or care about AI. There are many history lessons about bubbles that, well, they just didn't pay off because of the overexcitement on inventions. Such inventions would include such things as canals, electricity, and railroads, just to name a few. People, you maybe remember the excitement over the internet and the building of tens of millions of miles of fiber optic cables in the ground. The amount spent, well, that was the equivalent to about 1% of the US GDP over a half decade. The justification for the experts was that the internet was doubling every 100 days. Well, when you check the reality was only about 1/4 of the expectation came to fruition, with traffic doubling about every year. Most of the fiber optic cables were useless until about 10 years later, thanks to something known as video streaming. A report out of MIT said they found 95% of organizations surveyed are receiving no return on their AI product investments. Another study that came from the University of Chicago showed that AI chatbots had no significant impact on workers' earnings, recorded hours, or wages. I still believe AI is here to stay, but the question is, have the expectations gone too far? I think they have. I'm Brett Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, well, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and our weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.